Hey, Kim, hold up, hold up.
Come on, man. I'm amped too.
Yeah, I got it.
Hold up.
Come on, man.
Alright.
Give it a shot so you can figure out that sight.
Yeah.
Free shot, then.
Free shot.
Put it out there.
I'm gonna shoot the one. I'm gonna try to shoot the two. I got that shot. Three.
What rounds are those?
3, 4, 5.
Yeah, what round?
Go ahead.
What round is it? 7 by 62.
3, 4, and 5. We're gonna shoot 3, 4, and 5. I'm gonna shoot. I'll take 4.
Hey, a lot of safeties on it.
How many shots? How many shots? Can we put in there? Yeah.
Where's that L key?
I'm not going for it.
You did.
I was on number 4.